At ShopSaber, we're not just about CNC machines. We're a testament to excellence, precision, and the finest American craftsmanship. Our machines offer unparalleled precision, durability, and reliability, crafted with the utmost care and using only the highest quality materials.
Having been a metal fabricator for more than half my life, with any equipment that I buy, any tools that I get, I'm immediately examining the build quality. And this machine is built like I would build it. I mean, the welds are good looking, perfect penetration, everything's square, flat, where it needs to be, and it's robust. I mean, the gantry is giant hunk of steel. It's not gonna warp with heat, and yet it still moves around the table effortlessly. Again, back to the motors. They're precise, but also strong enough to move this robust thing around. So, I mean, it's built like a tank.
Unlike mass-produced imports, our CNC routers and plasma cutters were created by experts who understand every nut and bolt. You can trust in our in-depth knowledge and passion for perfection.
Because if your machine's down and you're relying on it and then you're on your own, like I have been in the past whenever I've had a machine and I've called in saying, hey, can you help me? It's not that they're not trying to be helpful, it's the fact that they just don't know the machine very well. You call ShopSaber, they literally are so familiar with the machine because they built it from the ground up that there's nothing they can't solve. And so that's the big thing that I tell people. Yes, there are cheaper machines on the market. Yes, there are good quality machines, but you're not only buying the machine here, you're buying the experience and the people behind it.
When you choose ShopSaber, you're not just purchasing a machine, you're gaining access to our world-class technical support. Count on us to provide expert assistance whenever you need it. If you're ready to take your craftsmanship to the next level, it's time to make the same investment so many others have already done. It's time to discover the ShopSaber difference today. Head to our website now to explore our full range of CNC machines. Don't let progress wait. Join the ShopSabre Revolution. ShopSaber, the way CNC was meant to be.